Whoops. Hello everybody. It's Final Touch Party Rentals again with our quarantine videos. We're hoping everyone's staying safe and in their homes, and we want to thank everybody that can't stay in their homes and are looking after us. We're going to do another centerpiece, this time something a little bit different. We're going to start with something that we don't carry, but I do have. So a lot of people, or I have seen a couple of people, really like these Chinese lanterns. And they are a very nice option for when you're doing hangings from the ceiling or anything like that. But I'm going to show you a nice centerpiece option with these too. Now we don't carry these, we can order them in for you, but we don't carry them because they are generally one use only. But they come in a multitude of colors. We're going to use white just because this is what I have here. So the way to get these to stand up properly is I always start with a plate. And something small, something smaller than the diameter of the Chinese lantern. But I'm going to put some stabilizers. I'm just going to use clear beads because this is what I have. But if you have any other type of stabilizer, that'd be great. And basically what that's for is this metal bracket that goes inside of the Chinese lantern actually has a bubble at the bottom. And this will keep the bubble from rolling around. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the Chinese lantern, we're going to take a candle, we're going to put that inside of the lantern, and we're going to take the metal brace and we're going to pop the lantern. And you can use all types of different candles. I'm just using a pillar candle because that's what I have. There you go. See how that makes it nice and stabilized? So that's why we use that piece there first. Then you're going to get a bouquet of flowers. And you're just going to set the bouquet right in the top. And then again, put a couple of lights around it to fill in the centerpiece. And it can be any size. This is a large one, but we can get in all kinds of different sizes of Chinese lanterns. And it adds more of a festive feel to your event. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Hope you're enjoying these videos. Thanks. Bye.